Hello everyone, this is Vuk from Shining 3D Dental team. The AccuFab F1 represents a revolutionary leap in 3D printing technology, purpose-built to tackle the challenges of printing high-viscosity resins with ceramic fillers. Beyond handling high-viscosity materials, this printer is designed to excel across a wide range of dental applications, setting a new benchmark for precision, reliability, and versatility. Dual heating models for superior temperature control, unlike printers with no heating or single heating models. The AccuFab F1 is equipped with dual heating models, a ceramic platform heater and a resin tank heater, working together with advanced PID algorithms. This ensures consistent and uniform temperature regulation throughout the entire printing process. What are the benefits of having a dual heating model? Maintains optimal resin viscosity and flowability for improved print quality, significantly reduces curing inconsistencies, and enhance adhesion to the platform. Allows successful printing even with the minor leveling errors. Unmatched capability with the high ceramic filler resins. Printing high viscosity resins with ceramic fillers has been challenging due to their low flowability and reduced light penetration. The AccuFab F1 eliminates these barriers with its high-power projector delivering exceptional light intensity to cure even the most demanding resins. Ideal for producing durable and precise parts such as permanent dental restorations. Achieves outstanding mechanical properties while preserving intricate design details. Advanced precision and reliability. The AccuFab F1 is engineered for unparalleled accuracy and consistency, supported by cutting-edge calibration and temperature control algorithms. A meticulously designed platform leveling system eliminates high discrepancies, ensuring even resin distribution and reducing detachment risks. Optimized light curing dynamics guarantees strong layer adhesion, minimizing weak points of delamination. Enhanced light curing technology captures fine details, producing sharp and accurate prints from dental restoration to intricate prototypes. The AccuFab F1 is not just a printer, it's a transformative tool for professionals looking to push the boundaries of dental 3D printing. By integrating advanced features like dual heating models, high power projection, and innovative separation mechanisms, it ensures precision, reliability, and versatility in every print job. Embrace the future of dental application with the AccuFab F1. Let's start this journey together.